These are your alternating forward lunges. So when we're alternating the lunges, we're essentially alternating which leg goes back and forth. Whoa, now, pushing a little too far with too much strength there. So every rep I'm switching legs. For the forward lunge though, we're starting at the back of our mat, or essentially giving ourselves enough room wherever your stance is to step forward. Be sure you're starting off with your feet hip width and parallel, because that's going to make sure the back foot remains parallel when you step into it. So feet are hip width and parallel, spine's nice and tall, shoulders back, good form up top. When we step forward, I'm going to land it heel to toe, and I'm going to make sure that as I bend this knee remains right over the middle of that front foot. You don't want to fall inward or outward from the foot itself. Make sure the knee is pointing the same direction as like your second, third toe are pointing there. Because I kept my feet parallel from the start, that back foot should be parallel, but feel free to check that and make sure you're lined up there. So both feet are parallel, knees are in line with the feet. And then to come back up, I'm going to roll off of the toes first and extend my knee through my heel. So really, my heel is the last thing in contact with the ground there. So again, I'm going to step forward, heel to toe, rolling, descending down. Knees are in line with the toes, feet are parallel, and then I'm going to extend the knee, toes come up first, heel launches off last, and then I switch legs. The other leg steps heel to toe, bends both knees, extending back through the heel to come up to standing back and forth here. Keep your form squared off up top here, and that there are your alternating forward lunges.